So down here fishing today with G Parker, and we have a load of other people fishing down here as well. So we're going to see what the day brings. We're here at low tide. Low tide is at 6 o'clock. Here now hitting the low tide. I have the first rod out with lugworm and bluey. I'm going to bait up the second rod, and I'm going to put probably a full mackerel on, see if we can get some spur dogs or some specimen ray or something. So let's see what the day brings. Going now, we've 3 rods out. So this rod has lugworm and bluey, this rod a lug bluey and sandeel cocktail, and this rod has crab and bluey. So let's see what the night brings. Looks like I'm getting bites on the left rod now. Oh yeah, and pick it up and feel it. He dropped it, I'd say. Give him another chance. This actually isn't my fish, but this is a beautiful painted ray one of the lads down here caught. Starting to get bites now on the rod on the left. It was just a little knock, but it was definitely a fish. Hopefully now he comes back to it again. That was definitely a fish. Did you see the head shakes on it? Oh yes! Missed him. Missed him. Did I? Oh no, I have him! I have him! Oh, he must have been swimming in. He must have been swimming in. What is it? Feels heavy. Maybe not. Come on! And he's tiny. The size of the bait compared to him. Grab the head and the tail at the same time. Just like that, and pop the hook. Like that. A woof woof is in.
Fucking fish dragged me off water. There you go.
Nice.
Fish off.
Fish on again on the big blue rod. Feels like another dogfish. No, it's a doggy. I thought it was a ray. He's all tangled, that's why, look. Is it the top or the bottom? Huh?
Sometimes it's me to walk up.
Okay. Nice. Nice bow wow. Get him back.